What's the meaning of Carlisle? Carlisle. Carlisle.
Carlisle. Carlisle. Carlisle is a city in northwestern England, located in the county of Cumbria. The name Carlisle comes from the Old Norse words Carl and Ser, which mean free man's dwelling. Carlisle has a rich history dating back to Roman times, and was an important military stronghold during the Middle Ages because of its strategic location near the Scottish border. Today, Carlisle is a vibrant city with a population of around 75,000 people, and is home to a number of cultural attractions, including museums, art galleries, and theaters.